Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we are going to update products in the Zoho CRM. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the product ID. Okay, so here we have the function. Let's update with this product ID. So this is the ID that we have. So let's use this. Okay, what we are trying to update, that is description, updated motivational coaching package, product name. Okay, and the price is 25. So currently its price is like 20. Okay, and the description updated, it will be coming. Okay, let's run it and let's see it is updated or not. So here we have this and it's updated. Let's have a look and let's see, is it updated? Updated, price is updated, and product name is updated. Okay, let's dive into the code level what we have done. So here we have the get access token function to get the access token. After this we have to prepare a payload for that, and which requires the ID, product name, unit price, description, whatever you want to update, just mention it. Okay, after this we have to go with our API, that is put CRM v2 products, and in the headers we have to pass the access token. Okay, then if everything is goes right, then we will go with the product update successfully. If then after that I will go with the catch block, that is error. Okay, so you will get this error and you can solve it accordingly. Okay, and now we have to call this function with the product ID. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.